In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the city in Subway Surfers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While it is possible for you to change the city in Subway Surfers, this will involve changing specific files inside of the game directory. So you need a file manager to access the folders referring to the game, and inside of those folders, you can replace the currently existing cities with different ones. For this video, I cannot provide you with a download for these files. You will have to look for them on your own. You can find them on YouTube and other places, and after you have these files downloaded, they will look like this. So each folder will contain a specific file referring to a city. So for example, Subway City, Christmas, Subway Classic, Sydney, Tokyo, and so on. Inside of each of these folders, you will have an individual file that needs to be used. So this file is going to contain all of the city models, textures, and so on. So open the folder, so in this example, New York 2, select the file and copy it. Once you have this file copied using a file manager, you have to go inside of this folder, so Tower, Ink, and Game Data. This is going to be done inside of the Subway Surfers folder. So inside of the Subway Surfers folder, go all the way until you reach the Objects folder, Tower, Ink, Game Data. Inside, you paste this file that you copied. You will need to replace the pre-existing one. So in here, there should already be a file with that name. You simply go ahead and replace it. By replacing that file, the next time that you open the game, the new city that you chose is going to be used. When the game updates, you might have to redo these steps, so keep that in mind. I apologize for not providing the download for those files, but it is against YouTube's terms of service, so you have to look for them on your own. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.